I am often asked by manufacturers around the country, how long does the M&A process take? How long will it take you to sell my manufacturing business? Hey, Fran Brunell here with Accelerated Manufacturing Brokers, Inc. Generally speaking, I tell people that you can expect about a year from listing to sitting at the closing table collecting your money. However, there are factors that can decrease the amount of time. Recently, we listed, as I sit here, it's June 1st, 2024. We listed a company in mid-April. In the first week of listing, we vetted over 150 buyers. We did 2 weeks of visits at the location in Illinois in May, and by May 31st, we had received over 8 LOIs on this business. A lot of this had to do with the speed with which the seller was capable of responding to data requests, both from my office and the buyers. Recently, we've done deals in 5 months, in 8 months, and 6 months. I still tell people it takes about a year because that's the average that I've seen over 30 years of doing this. But there are things that you can do to speed the process. I would encourage you to go to my website, acceleratedmfgbrokers.com. We have a learning center on the website where we're discussing all types of different M&A issues. And if you're thinking about selling in a few years, I think you would find it helpful. Thanks for joining and hope you have a great day.